For today's video, it's my first time to bake yama cake. I make the yama icing first, and we only need 1 can of condensed milk, 4 egg yolks, 1/2 cup of evap milk para hindi masyadong matamis ang yama natin, and nag-add na rin ako ng 2 tablespoons of cornstarch para kumapit talaga sa cake yung icing. Mix it all together. But make sure na dissolve yung cornstarch at nahalo na yung egg before turning on the fire in a low-medium heat para hindi masunog. Pag ganito na yung texture niya, turn off na natin yung stove at saka natin ilagay yung 1/4 cup butter. Once okay na siya, cover lang natin siya ng clear wrap para hindi tumigas yung nasa banda itaas and set aside. At ang next ko naman ginawa is yung chiffon cake. In baking, make sure to sift the dry ingredients first. In making the chiffon cake, I used 1 cup of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, and then 1/4 cup of sugar. And 2 beses ko pala siyang na-sift. Pagkatapos ay naglagay lang ako ng pineapple juice to give the cake a nice fruity flavor and also smells good. Add the egg yolks and then the vegetable oil or kahit anong oil, basta oil. Wag lang baby oil. Charot. Mix it all together. Since wala akong stand mixer, pinahuli ko na gawin yung mirang ko. So, we only need 4 egg whites, 1/4 sugar, and cream of tartar. In adding the sugar to our meringue, make sure na stiff na siya and then add the sugar gradually. Huwag ibuhos lahat. By the way, naglagay na rin nga pala ako dyan ng cream of tartar. Pag ganito na yung meringue natin, pwede na natin ito maihalo sa ating batter mixture and then mix. I have this aluminum pan and as you can see, square siya kasi I will cut it in small sizes too. I will upload the reason why soon. And then bake it for 350 Fahrenheit in 40 to 45 minutes. Pag naluto na siya, make sure na i-rest muna siya before putting the icing. And then I start to frosting the yam icing to our cake. So, I added cheese as my toppings. And here you go, ready ng ating yama cake. Dali, makaunta!